Yeah, he is still with us. Yeah, you can still do this. This bike really doesn't know what it wants to be. Craft beer? In case you're new, this is my 1980 Moto Guzzi 250 TS. Like, it's weird knowing I'm riding a Moto Guzzi and like being able to do this without smashing my shins. Ooh, manhole! Ow! Now, I bought this bike as sort of a summer project, and that summer project became a year-long project. Technically still a summer project because it is summer now, although I bought this for summer of 2025. Now, long story short, I thought it was decent, then the transmission exploded and I had to source that engine, make a good engine out of this engine and the one I sourced, and now it kind of doesn't suck anymore. I say kind of because if you watch my other videos on it, I am not the biggest fan. This bike feels like it was made... Ooh, wood chipper. Being your local pedophile here. What was I saying? Yes, it feels like this bike was made by someone, like it was engineered by someone who has never ridden a motorcycle in their own life. And so I was like, you know what, let's make it good. Let's make it rideable, let's make it reliable, and let's move it on. Let's give it to someone who is going to enjoy it more than I will. Not to say that I don't enjoy riding this bike, but like, it's too much of a compromise even for me, and you've seen the last video. Which brings us onto the topic of today's video, which isn't really a topic. It's just old-style moto vlog with me just rambling and ranting. Aldo Moro. One day, I was riding, I was just out and about. This guy, he seemed interested in Guzzi, and I told him, well, I'm trying to sell it, and you know, if you're interested. And he's like, yes, give me a price. I gave him a price. He accepted said price, so done deal, right? And he's like, well, I live pretty far away, and I need a truck to bring it home. And I need to, because work and shit, I need to make everything like line up. I'll tell you when I can come and pick it up. Now, this was February. Fast forward to, I think, June, and I got nothing from him. So I called him and I'm like, so what the fuck? I won't tell you what he told me because it's pretty personal stuff. What he told me essentially was, I am in a pretty bad situation right now and I can't really come anytime soon. And I was like, okay, it's fine. I am an understanding person. I am an empath. If someone tells me what he told me, I'm like, okay, don't worry about it. I'm going to keep it aside for you, and I won't sell it to anybody else. Now, this was in June. PD, thank you. No, it's a 2-liter, it's not a PD. It's a 2-liter TDI, right? So it's not a PD, right? That, guys, is it a common rail? I am poor as shit, and I would really love to have this money because I need it to do stuff. I'm not going to tell him. I'm not gonna tell him that I really need money because also, like, that is a pretty bad look. In my eyes, at least. First thing I told him was, I know there's shit going on, but can we please do this before, like, the end of July, when my insurance expired? Because if we do it afterwards, that means I have to renew my insurance. Oh, nice and cool. Oh god, can I stop here? Man, it's so hot today. Now, you can see I am riding this bike, and it is August. You can put 2 and 2 together, and at this point I got pretty tired of being so accommodating towards him because he was not keeping promises. I was, he wasn't. Because we are in Italy, there's a bunch of bureaucracy that goes along buying a used vehicle. You need to get some paperwork done and spend some money, and you need to go to like places to do this. You either do that or go to the DMV and lose like 10 years of your life. I don't like those clouds, and that's where I'm going. I mean, I will cool down at least. And like the closest place to my my place, goes on holiday for a week and a half, I think. Next Wednesday, this place closes. Oh, thank God for disc brakes. And the next thing he tells me is, okay, I'll come on Monday. On Monday, everything is confirmed. I'll let you know when I come. I'll let you know what time I'll be there. Yesterday, I wake up, yesterday being Monday, I wake up and I'm waiting for any confirmation notice, whatever. 9:30, 10 comes along, and I'm like, this guy is not coming. And I'm like, hey man, so remember that thing that we were supposed to do today? So how about you tell me something about it? And he's like, I'll let you know what day I come. Maybe Wednesday or Thursday. Better Thursday than Wednesday.